free mystery model with a 1,000,000 token window just challenged GPT-5.6 Sol to build Reddit from scratch. Same machine, same frozen brief, same 34 browser checks. No hand fixes after either model stopped. It is August the 24th, and this is the AI Code Report. The mystery model is Alpha on OpenRouter. The live catalog lists $0 input, $0 output, and a 1,048,576 token context window. The task was not a toy. It needed accounts, communities, posts, nested comments, votes, feeds, search, moderation, settings, pagination, persistence, and mobile support. Before either model touched a file, the brief and the playwright checks were frozen. Even a deliberate stub had to fail them. Then both terminals started for real. Alpha worked on the left, GPT-5.6 Sol worked on the right. wrote 1,486 lines across 32 files. It built controllers, services, repositories, views, security, validation, and SQLite storage. Its first successful bounded coding response took 155 seconds. On paper, the architecture looked like the serious one. The first screen looked plausible too, except the search box literally printed a template expression. Then sign-up found the real problem. Opened one SQLite connection, started a threaded web server, and reused that connection from a different request thread. Python refused. In simple terms, one cashier opened a locked drawer. Then another cashier tried to use the same drawer from a different counter. Without sign-up, nothing behind an account could be reached. Communities, posts, voting, comments, feeds, and settings all stopped at the door. The raw run showed 8 green checks. 5 were false positives caused by empty pages or generic errors. Alpha's honest score was 3 of 34. Sol took a smaller route. 1 prompt, 1,113 lines, 9 files, and 9 minutes 52 seconds. It used Node's built-in HTTP server, JSON persistence, script password hashing, services, validation, and server-rendered views. The result was a complete forum called Threaded. It had real desktop pages, real mobile layouts, and every requested surface was reachable. The unchanged judge first reported 25 of 34. That looked like 9 Sol failures until each dispute was reproduced by hand. Reply used a details control instead of a button. Vote controls used accessible names. Join said, join community. The strict selectors missed working behavior. A clean replay confirmed nested replies, comment counts, comment deletion, vote undo, downvotes, new and top sorting, membership feeds, and 10-item pagination. That moved Sol to 34 of 34. The raw judge stays in the evidence folder, and the corrected replay sits beside it. Had the more layered architecture. Sol had the simpler data flow, the working security path, and the browser proof. Complexity did not earn partial credit. Final score, Alpha 3 GPT-5.6 Sol 34. Free won the price. Sol won the product. Would you take the free 1,000,000 token model and fix the thread bug, or take the one prompt app? Drop the next matchup below.